You, you, she don't like Gucci, but she like Prada. She's gotta be a zoo because she's got a big dada. No drama. Tant que Michelle Obama, j'ai pris un petit bout d'or, vini